Ano nga ba ang laman ng isang low-carb meal? Una, ano ang iyong rice substitute? I prefer egg as my rice substitute. Bakit? Because egg is high in protein and fat, and a lot of vitamins and minerals. Egg is high in amino acid, good source of cholesterol. At saan nga ba ginagamit ang cholesterol? Babanggitin ko po ang ilan. Cholesterol is needed by our body for the formation of cell membranes, proper brain function, production of hormones, and many more. Egg is also rich in vitamin B, also a good source of omega-3, choline, colostrum, and biotin. At ito naman ang ulam ko, fried in coconut oil, pork liempo. Lalo sa mga busy mom, pwedeng-pwede po ito pang ulam sa umaga. Naka-pan fry lang po ito, tapos cut lang po into bite size. This pork liempo is high in protein and fats. Kaya kung ito ang ulam nyo, sulit-sulit. At kung kayo ay beginner or newbie, lagi pong may extra ulam para kapag nakaramdam ng gutom, to the rescue ang bite-size pan-fried liempo para hindi na po kailangan kumain ng tinapay at para mas mabilis po ang transition natin from carbohydrates to fat as source of energy. At ito namang tahong ay high in protein pa rin po, vitamin C, iron, cobalamin, low carbohydrate content, potassium, sodium, cholesterol, at syempre fat. Napansin niyo po ba na may common denominator ang laman ng aking low-carb meal? More on protein and fats, and low in carbohydrates. Kasi itong tatlong nabanggit ko are the 3 macronutrients needed by our body to function well. At syempre yung sausawan natin from Jeddar's Green Dahan. Do you know that vinegar can kill microorganisms, viruses, and yeast infections? Itong mga klaseng pagkain ay ang pinakaligtas sa lahat ng mga low-carbers kahit ano pa man ang mga sakit. Kung magtatanong kayo bakit walang gulay, pag-usapan po natin sa susunod na video. Please like and share and follow me for more low-carb recipes and health tips.